Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Pro. I'm Paul.
Hi, Paul. Hi, everyone. I'm Emily. I'm so happy to be here with you today.
Today, Emily, we are going to talk about something everyone does every single day. Do you know what it is?
Yes, Paul. Daily routines. These are the little things we do from morning to night. And today, we'll share our own routines so learners can practice with real examples.
Perfect. Let's start with the morning. Emily, what is the first thing you do after waking up?
Well, Paul, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and yawn. It helps me feel awake. Then I brush my teeth. I always think, this is my fresh start for the day.
Oh, I do something similar. I wake up at 7 a.m., but sometimes I snooze my alarm twice, or maybe 3 times. Laughs.
That's funny. After brushing my teeth, I take a quick shower and it really wakes me up. Then I eat breakfast. I usually have toast and eggs and a cup of tea.
Nice. For me, breakfast is cereal and milk. Sometimes I grab a banana if I'm late, and after breakfast,
I like to make my bed. It's a small thing, but it makes my room feel neat. Then I drink a glass of water to start my day.
oh yes, that's good advice. Learners can say, I wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, make my bed, and drink water. That's a full morning.
Okay, Emily, let's talk about the afternoon. What's your story?
In the afternoon, I usually go to work. I take the bus and listen to some music. It makes the ride fun. I eat lunch at 1 p.m., usually rice, vegetables, or sometimes noodles.
That sounds delicious. I remember yesterday I ate sandwiches for lunch. After lunch, I like to study English for an hour. Sometimes I read a short story or listen to a podcast.
That's a great habit, and I also like to go for a short walk after lunch. It helps me feel fresh and ready for work.
So afternoon can be work or school, lunch, study, and a little exercise. Learners can repeat, I go to work, eat lunch, study English, and go for a walk.
Yes, Paul, and sometimes I like to drink tea or coffee in the afternoon. A small cup gives me energy.
Now, evening. Emily, what's your story for the evening?
Evening is my favorite part of the day. I eat dinner with my family at 7 p.m. We talk about our day, and it's always fun. After dinner, I watch a little TV or sometimes read a book.
That's nice. I usually watch TV or play a small game on my phone. And sometimes I call my friends to chat.
I also like to prepare for the next day in the evening. I pack my bag and set my clothes. It makes the morning much easier.
Learners can practice. I eat dinner, watch TV, read a book, call friends, and prepare for tomorrow.
At night, I brush my teeth before bed. I like to wash my face and sometimes read a few pages of a storybook. Then I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Me too. I try to sleep at 11 p.m. Sometimes I read funny news or watch a short video before sleeping.
And don't forget, a small bedtime routine like brushing teeth or washing face makes your day complete.
Emily, let's help learners practice. Can we make a small conversation using our daily routines?
Sure, let's do it.
Hi, Emily. What time do you wake up?
Hi, Paul. I wake up at 6 a.m. And you?
I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you do first?
I stretch, brush my teeth, and take a shower. Then I eat breakfast and make my bed.
Great. What about lunch?
I eat lunch at 1 p.m. After that, I sometimes study English or go for a walk.
Nice. And in the evening?
I eat dinner, watch TV, and read a book. I also prepare for tomorrow.
Finally, at night.
I brush my teeth, wash my face, and go to bed at 10 p.m.
Perfect. Learners can repeat this conversation slowly to practice.
Paul, I want to give learners a tip.
Yes, Emily.
Try to turn your daily routine into a story. For example, instead of just saying, I eat breakfast, say, I eat breakfast with my family. We talk and laugh. It's my favorite part of the morning.
Oh, that's interesting. Learners can add small experiences and feelings. It makes English more natural.
Exactly. And you can write it, speak it, or even record yourself. It's fun and very useful.
That's a great idea.
Learners can also use small expressions.
I drink coffee in the morning. It makes me feel awake. I play games in the evening. It's fun. I read a book before sleeping. It helps me relax.
Wow. Learners can create their own fun routine story every day.
Today, we shared our full daily routines: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Remember, learners, you can talk about your own routine and make small stories.
Yes, speak, write, and read your routine every day. It's a simple way to practice English and improve fast.
Keep your sentences short, clear, and add little experiences. That's how English becomes natural.
Thank you for watching Learn English Pro.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and have a wonderful day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.